and welcome back to Scalarly. Here we care about you saving time in doing all things digital. Today I will be showing you how you can avoid having to find your Drive tab to create new docs, sheets, slides, drawings by simply creating bookmarks. Here is the bookmarks bar. I'm gonna right-click on this and you can see that I have various options open. One of them is to show bookmarks bar. You need to have that on. If you turn that off, you can't see that anymore. But if you turn that on, that will show in every page. Now we will right-click here and select Add a folder. We will insert a folder name, Google Drive files, or add anything you like. It will be on the bookmarks bar, and you can save that. Now you can see your folder here. We have already prepared the link for each items. You can check it out in the description box below. So we will just drag it to the folder. This one is Google Docs, Spreadsheet, Slides, and Drawing. And now, if you click on the folder, you can see that you've got links here to each types of document. So if I want to create a new document, I'll open a new tab, for example. Click on the folder and say New Google Docs, and it will start up a new document editor. Until it's saved, it isn't located anywhere. But if you started typing on this and click the title, you can now see that this is a file in my drive, and you could obviously move this item and store it in somewhere else. And you can do the same thing on your other files. And that's how you can use this technique to create links in your bookmarks to create new docs, sheets, slides, and drawing. Easy access it is. Click like if you found this video useful. If you have questions, feel free to comment down below and subscribe for more Google Drive tips and tricks. Thank you and see you on our next video.